see what prepositions are. There are so many prepositions in English, and prepositions are the words that show the relationship between the words in a sentence. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between the words in a sentence. There are different types of prepositions based on the direction, time and place. Based on the direction, time and the place, there are different types of prepositions. Let us see some examples of prepositions. Look here, we can see some common used prepositions in English: on, in, at, above or over, up, among, between, under, near and behind. We commonly use on are used before days of a week, dates and position above. Used before days of a week. For example, we arrived on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday. And dates and position above means there is, look here, there is the flower vase. You can see the flower vase here, and we can see the flower vase is on the table. On the table. The whiteboard is on the wall. That is position above. Okay, then in. In is used before months, seasons, year, position inside. Okay, before months we can use in. Means and also year. India got independent in 1947. In 1947, and position inside. The eggs are in the nest. Inside, in the nest. Okay. Then the next preposition is at. At is used at a particular point. That means at indicates a particular point of time or a specific position. Okay. For example, the class starts at 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. That means time, point of time, specific point of time. Specific position means meet me at the flower shop. Meet me at the flower shop. At the flower shop. Okay, specific position. Look here, next one is above or over. Means overhead or relative to something else higher. Relative to something else higher means, for example, the birds are flying over the trees. Over the trees. Treesine relative ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ birds അതിന്റെ മുകളിലാണ്. Over the trees. Okay, that's the above or over. Then up. Up means from a lower towards a higher point. From a lower towards a higher point. Means, for example, the kite is flying. Kite is flying up in the sky. Kite is flying up in the sky. Okay. Then next is among. Among means within a group or used for more than two persons or things. The boy is seen among his friends. Means used for more than two persons. Okay, or within a group. Then between. Between means in the space separating two things. If two things are there, between that something else. For example, the child is sitting between his parents. Okay. Under. Under means below something. The bicycle is under the tree. Below the tree. Okay. Near means close to. Near means close to. Look, here we can see the flower vase on the table, and look here, the duster is near the flower vase. The duster is near the flower vase, means close to. Okay, and the last one, behind. At the back of something or someone. At the back of something or someone. That's the meaning of behind. Okay. I think you understood the preposition. These are the commonly used prepositions in English. And I think you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.